quantities. So, to operate vector quantities, we have to adapt some new rules. Earlier, we dealt with only scalar quantities. Example of scalar quantities: volume, mass. Suppose here is a basket, and 3 kg sugar is in this basket, and another basket there is 5 kg of sugar, and if you add these two baskets and you emptied these two baskets in a bigger basket, and sugars are now in bigger basket. You put 3 kg sugar in this bigger basket, you put 4 kg sugar in this bigger basket, and you will end up with 7 kg of sugar. This is the simple way of addition which we were doing for last 7 classes. That means starting from we start addition of for 8 classes. We started addition in class 2nd standard, and from 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So far you have all operated these things. These are basic algebra. What you have operated till date, they all were scalar quantities, and these scalar quantities follow the rules of basic algebra. When two scalar quantities are added, they are simply added. There is no confusion or nothing else. And now we are dealing with vector quantities. And what are vector quantities? As I told you, vector quantities are those physical quantities which need direction. That means they are having magnitude, and that is not enough, that is not sufficient. You need to tell the direction also. How these are changing your result or changing your concept, now you will learn here. Okay. So suppose here is a irregular, you can say it is stone, and two forces are acting, and force is a vector quantity. Suppose in this direction a force of 3 Newton is acting, and in this direction 4 Newton force is acting. Clear? And this is a stone. And if you ask this question to any of your junior, that two forces 3 Newton and 4 Newton acting on a stone, what will be the net force acting on this stone? Simply they will say 7 Newton. But 7 Newton comes from the operation of algebra, and algebraic operations are not allowed here. So you have to adapt some new rules, and that new rules are going to be taught here now.